Making a website with Hostinger Website Builder is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To begin, log into your Hostinger H panel. Move to the Websites tab and click on Create or Migrate a Website. Select your desired website type. For this example, I'll choose Portfolio. Proceed by selecting Create New Website. Now, we'll utilize the AI-powered Hostinger Builder, which has replaced the previous version. Choose this option to continue. Next, decide whether to buy a new domain or connect an existing one. I'll opt for a free subdomain. On the following page, you can either provide a description of your website to the AI or select templates from the options below. Keep in mind that Hostinger is moving to AI, and templates may become unavailable. I'll go with the AI description. Take note that I'm demonstrating with a demo description. Click the Create Website button. The AI will take some time to set up your website's design, layout, color scheme, images, and more. Once complete, you'll be presented with 3 options to choose from. I'm selecting the first one, planning to publish it initially, and then make edits. Here, the Hostinger Builder offers a well-structured, seamless UI design. You have 2 view modes available. By clicking on the plus icon, you can access numerous elements to try out. For example, I'll demonstrate by adding social icons. You can customize element layouts to your preferences and even incorporate photos. Hostinger has partnered with Unsplash to provide free stock images. Let's set up a footer. Choose a design, and note that footers are automatically synchronized across all pages. Now, on the About page, I'll write my name. The sidebar offers various other options to explore. You can conveniently arrange all colors in one place. Hostinger allows us to create blog websites and even build online stores here. Explore the settings for additional options like app integrations, analytics, SEO tools, form submissions, and the highly valuable Export to WordPress feature. This tool enables you to craft websites using the Hostinger AI-powered website builder.